Welcome viewers, my name is Abraham and in this tutorial I will guide you how to make an app that can speak and talk based on the input given. So let's open our browser and type in MIT AppInventor, and then using our email user ID and password we should log in into MIT AppInventor2. Click on Start New Project and then give a name Speaker and click OK. Now click on the speaker that is on the topmost and click on Continue. Click on the layout. We shall drag and drop vertical scroll arrangement layout in the main screen. And then we'll click on the default color and change it to gray, and the height, select fill parent and click OK. Width, fill parent and click OK. Now that we are done, let's go to our user interface and then we will drop text box. Click on the text box and rename it to text box underscore input. OK. And then click on fill parent for the width, and for the height we will give a percentage of 25. Click OK. Let's drag and drop button and rename it to button underscore speak. OK. Let's give text alignment. Okay, leave it as it is. Now let's change the width to fill parent and change the text to speak. Okay, you can see the speak is being reflected, and we shall change the font size to 25 and give the text color red. In case of default, I think mono space should be good, or sans serif or serif. Let's change the speak color background to cyan, or maybe pink is better. Let's change the text box input background to yellow color. And we'll change the black color to red. Should it be good? Or blue? Yeah, blue should be good. Okay. Now let's click on media and drag and drop text to speech in the main page. Then we shall click on the blocks. Click on the variables and drag global variable. Then click on the text and drag empty text fill. Then we shall give a hint. Type text here. Next, click on the screen 1 and then drag and drop when screen 1 initializes. Click on the text box input and drag set text box input hint and set the global variable to it. Click on the text box input again and then we shall drag call hide keyboard and set it to when screen 1 initializes at the topmost. Click on the button speak and then drag and drop when button speak click. Click on control and drag and drop if then condition. Click on logic and drag and drop equals logic. Now click on text box input and search for text box input dot text. Once you find it, drag and drop in the main page. Click on text and drag and drop length, which will help us to find the length of the string, and set the text box input to it and give the equal value to 0 from the math block. Now that we are done, let's click on the design again and search for notifier function. And we'll drag and drop notifier to the main page and go back to our blocks. Now click on the notifier and we shall drag and drop call notifier with an error alert and grab an empty text and set to it. No, we shall delete it and get the global variable hint and set to it. Okay, let's go to notifier. I think maybe we should change this error notifier to show alert and set the global variable to it. Delete it. Let's click on the setting icon in the if then condition and drag down to the if condition. Now let's go to the text to speech and select the function to speak and drag and drop under else. Now let's duplicate the text box input dot text and set to call speak message. Now let's click on the text box input and drag and drop text box input hint and set the global variable to it. Because we want the text input to show us a hint after we are done. Let's remove the global variable from the show alert notice in the then condition and grab an empty text and write in empty text types something. That should do. Now let's go to our design Now click on the connect and click on the emulator. Let's see if the emulator has started. We shall allow the system to start up normally. If you like my video tutorial, please subscribe it and share it with your friends. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest notification for my new video releases. Please let me know in the comment section how was this video, and if you need to know more on this topic or video tutorial related to this topic. Once the app starts, just type in your text and press on the speak button for the app to speak. Bye for now. See you in the next video tutorial.